Good morning. This is Dan Lampy with Storm GPS checking in from Punta Gorda, Florida, Emergency Operations Center, where we're monitoring the approach of Hurricane Milton. One of the things I want to discuss this morning is the storm surge. As you can see right now, the location of Milton is a ways out here yet, but one of the things I wanted to point out is we are now going from a deep water area onto the shelf that's really this entire area off the coast of Florida. We're going from, as you can see right here, we've got the actual depth of the water. This is coming out of a depth of 11,000 feet, and when we come up onto this shelf, we're going to a mere 600, 500, 400 feet. So we're going from, like say, 11,000 to 600 feet here. So this push of water is just going to be immense. And like I say, we've got the path from the National Hurricane Center with this to arrive in the Sarasota area, but this right front quadrant is going to have this huge push of water. So we're talking all the way from Sarasota all the way down to Fort Myers, Naples. If you're in any of these areas and you have not evacuated the coastal area, you really need to get out of here, because this is a life-altering situation that's going to take place with this storm surge. This is continuing to maintain its strength. They're talking about it weakening potentially with some shear, but right now it is not showing any signs of weakening. And even if it does weaken, the storm surge over the shallow shelf here is going to be immense in this area. So we really need to be on deck and aware, and if you have not evacuated, you need to do so immediately. Looking at also what's going on, we've got a tornado threat with these outer bands that are coming on shore. Right now we have a current tornado warning in the Big Cypress National Preserve right now. All these cells coming on shore are showing rotation. We've got rotation. This down here is actually even has more rotation. It's not warned at this point. Strong rotation, all these cells here, and we go offshore, we have strong rotation as well in all of these cells. These are all rotating, these outer band cells, and I anticipate when they get on shore, these are going to be tornado warned. So from Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, we need to be on deck and aware as these storms come on shore. The current ETAs that we have on the current warning right now, we have this in Big Cypress National Preserve. We're then going to be moving into Clewiston around the top of the hour. So we need to be all hands on deck here. We've got this tornado threat is going to go on throughout the day before the actual arrival of Milton. We will be checking in throughout the day and providing updates as warranted, but prayers for Florida. This is a very dangerous situation, and it's going to continue and play out throughout the day. Prayers with all, and we'll be checking in.